Hi everyone, this is Shomita and welcome back to my channel. So, if you watched the previous vlog, you will know that we finally completed the famous Batu Caves climb. Honestly, when we first stood at the bottom and looked up at the colorful stairs, I wasn't even sure if mom and dad would be able to reach the top. But somehow, step by step, break after break, we all made it. And reaching the top felt absolutely amazing. But here is the thing, nobody really talks about the journey back down. Because once you're standing at the top and looking at those stairs below, they suddenly look much steeper than the before. So today we are continuing our Batu Caves adventure, exploring a little more at the top, meeting some unexpected animal friends, trying to survive the journey down, watching dad makes friends with pigeon and monkeys, and then ending the day with unexpected rain shower. So let's continue our Batu Caves journey. So after finally reaching the top, we decided not to rush. After all the climbing, we deserve a little time to enjoy the view. The atmosphere here at the top will very different. The massive cave walls, the sunlight entering from the above, the cool breeze and the natural sounds, echoing sounds around the cave, everything feels peaceful. And honestly, after climbing hundreds of stairs, standing there feels like a reward. We walked around slowly, taking in the surroundings, looking at the different corners of the cave and simply enjoying the moment. Sometimes when you are traveling, you don't need to keep moving. Sometimes it's nice to just stop, look around and appreciate where you are. And of course, there will be a lots of monkeys everywhere. Honestly, I think they own Batu Caves now. They are sitting on the railing, walking around confidently, watching tourists, and probably judging all of us. Everywhere you look, there is another monkey. Some are eating, some are resting, and some planning for the next snack theft. And honestly, I spent way too much time recording the monkey videos. But can you blame me? They are entertaining. And eventually, the moment arrived, the journey down. Now, climbing up is difficult, but going down isn't always easy either, especially when you are straight down from the top. Those stairs suddenly seems endless. And if you are someone who gets dizzy easily, this part can feel a little scary. Looking down from the above, you really notice how steep everything is. For a moment, your brain starts asking questions. Your legs don't want the answer. Meanwhile, Rishin and Dad are already moving step by step without much hesitation, as it's completely normal. I don't know where they found that confidence, but they definitely had more of it than rest of us. Mom, on the other hand, decided to take things little slowly, and honestly, that was probably the smartest choice. There was no rush, no competition, just one step at a time. Carefully, slowly, and confidently, sometimes travel isn't about the speed, it's about enjoying the experience. And after climbing all the way to the top earlier, Mom had already proven everything she needed to prove. While waiting, I ended up recording even more videos. Different angles, different view, different stair shots. Because honestly, the view from up there looks incredible. Every few steps, I found another photo opportunity, another video opportunity, and probably another excuse to stop walking. But that's what travel's memories are for. So let's travel back down and I'll show you how we get together and the talk in between. So let's watch.
Dali baba tayo. Teh, harap ka teh. Picturean kita dyan.
Excuse me.
Tumingin tayo dito. Forward mo sa group chat ka na. Para padala kami.
I asked another lady, I think
Forward mo na.
I go. আমার বল আর তোমার বর কই গেল? হ্যাঁ, দেখতেই তো পাচ্ছি না। achievement all by itself. The climb up was done, the climb down was done, and now it was finally time to relax a little. Back at the bottom, Dad found some wheat seeds. Actually, there is a seller who is selling those wheat seeds or the bananas over there. And suddenly he became very popular. Because the moment food appeared, the pigeons arrived from everywhere. It was like they had a secret notification system. Within seconds, there were pigeons all around my dad, watching, waiting, and hoping for more food. And naturally, the monkeys also became interested. Because if food exists, the monkeys somehow know about it immediately. Honestly, watching Dad feed those animals was almost as entertaining as visiting Batu Caves itself. The pigeons, the monkeys, the reactions, everything was so fun to watch.
মা কই
ছড়িয়ে দাও, ওরা চলে যায়। পায়ে চলে দেখো, আরে ওই দেখা
পায়ের মাঝখানে দেখে কাঁদছি কি আমার কাছে কিছু নেই যা হ্যাঁ আমার বাপ ফটো তুলতে দিচ্ছে না কি জ্বালাতন
হাত দিয়ে দেখো না ভালো।
বাদরটা রীতিমতো বাবাকে অ্যাটাক করেছিল ওটা রয়েছে ভিডিও রয়েছে বাবার পায়ে পায়ে উঠে
পরিষ্কার করে দিয়েছে, একটা দানাও তো ভেতরে বাইরে। একটা দানা
বেছে বেছে খাচ্ছে
পাটা ছড়া পায়ের তলায় আছে।
then the sky slowly started changing. Dark clouds appeared, the wind picked up, and before long it started raining. Not just a few drops, a proper rain. So instead of running around, we found a place to wait. And honestly, it turned out to be a nice little break. Watching the rain fall, watching people rushed for shelter, listening the sound of the rain around Batu Caves, it felt surprisingly peaceful. Travel doesn't always go according to the plan, but sometimes the unexpected moments became most memorable. Of course, even the rain couldn't stop us for taking pictures, photos, because every family trip has that moment. Just one more picture. And somehow that one picture became 10 more pictures. But honestly, those are moments we laugh about that later. After all the climbing, all the walking, and all the exploring, we came to a very important conclusion. We needed coffee. So the plan became simple. Wait for the rain to stop, find a nice place to sit, enjoy a coffee, relax a little, and then continue exploring Batu Caves. Sometimes the best travel memories aren't the famous landmarks. They are not perfect photos. They are not even things you planned. They are unexpected moments, the monkey encounter, the rain, the waiting, and the conversation, and simply spending time together. And honestly, this part of Batu Caves gives us exactly those kind of memories. Memories that don't look big from the outside, but feel special when you experience them. But our Batu Caves journey isn't over yet. The rain will stop, the coffee is waiting, and there are still more places to explore. So join us in the next vlog because our Batu Caves adventure